Today, in the time of vulnerability, monetary security and the speed of exchanges are vital for the development of economies. Eventually, everything reduces to a sealed and profoundly secure structure that could help in putting away as well as re-establishing all information on the blockchain-empowered stage, where in any event, exchanging could be worked with alongside quicker installments and exchanges, say such countless them in the glimmer of a second. And all wiping out the job of go-betweens, an aftereffect of hard and impeccable work. Before we start with a nitty-gritty Avalanche cost expectation, we should plunge into a coin outline. A seed thought that was conceptualized by Cornell researcher Eamon Gunn-Sire in September 2020, for the most part putting together the stage with respect to blockchain calculations, essentially to resolve these issues of sped-up, decentralization, and security. With this sort of hardy blockchain innovation, Avalanche will go about as a critical power supporter demonstrating progressive in the realm of installments. As an impetus to empower fast-fire exchanges in the worldwide installment biological system, Avalanche will acquire revolutionary change finance. Torrential Slide is completely viable with Ethereum resources, applications, and devices with quicker speeds, higher throughput orders, and lower charges. It is an umbrella stage for sending off DeFi applications, resources, exchanging, and different administrations for blockchain engineers. It permits anybody to send off or exchange any type of resource and control it a decentralized way utilizing savvy contracts and other trend-setting innovations. A pivotal separation among Avalanche and other blockchain stages is its administration component. Marking rewards are dependent upon dynamic changes as the framework develops. Torrential Slide, Avax. The inherent potential. Without a doubt, Avalanche has incredible potential and will generally be the most appealing cryptographic forms of money, chiefly for its local token, Avax, that guarantees high exchange security, combined with speed scaling a trillion every second. No big surprise, the always dynamic group of qualified mathematicians and cryptographers is creating and keeping up with the Avalanche digital money. Arising as a very powerful and lively power, Avax will be the pick and selection of dealers, particularly on the grounds that it has gone the distance, and furthermore, financial backers have found a variable of unwavering quality implanted in this token. The badge of Avax capacities as a prizes and installment framework for clients. Torrential Slide, Avax. The community and partnerships. The principal point of the Avalanche People Group isn't to lead exclusively on the development way. The Avalanche People Group is humming about its achievements and huge commitment, particularly after Avalanche opened Denali testnet. It approved the Force of Avalanche agreement and light design that offers more even-handed support rather than costly equipment. Being recorded on prominent cryptographic money trades like Coinbase and Binance, Avax offers a protected and reliable stage to its brokers and furthermore empowers lesser expenses and a plenty of computerized resources for single out from. Torrential Slide is likewise marked a settlement with various environments like Chainlink, Belira, and so forth, taking its forceful mechanical drives to a higher level. The essential objective behind associations is to assemble a helpful local area around the world, in this way making an equivalent, practical, and decentralized world. Torrential Slide forecast. Similarly as with some other digital money cost expectation, the Avalanche cost figure is the subject of totally various perspectives. The ongoing cost of Avax is exchanging at $107.08, with a market capitalization of $26,100,930,525. The 24 hours exchanging volume of the Avax token is $941,278,820, with a circling supply of 243,751,661.54 Avax on the lookout. Avax digital money is greatly dependent on decentralized applications remaining in front of other state-of-the-art advancements and the current decentralized blockchain networks, for which the Avalanche gauge of costs is absolutely reliant upon. The blast time for Avalanche Avax drives the value conjecture to remain substantial on this record before very long. Made by Avalanche, this coin has gone the distance, thus it is essential to realize Avalanche cost rise is sure in the approaching 5 years. Play out your own exploration to check your gamble resistance. Torrential slide price prediction 2022. As indicated by Avax cost expectation, taking into account there are no abrupt shocks or a stony way forward for cryptographic money markets, Avalanche is good to go to confirm serious areas of strength for its as a significant fascination among its financial backer local area. With financial backer certainty blasting according to specialized examination, the Avax cost could cross all hindrances, scaling a normal of $134. The following bullish figure opinion for Avalanche, Avax, is assessed to reach $120 by June and will keep on becoming about plus 6%, ascending to $127 by December 2022. It appears to be the normal most extreme and least cost can energize to remain around $115 and $150, separately, by year end. The bullish feeling is probably going to go on the following year, seeing the latest thing. What makes Avalanche novel? The current decentralized finance applications are exceptional to Avalanche and make it process the exchanges quickly. These exchange affirmations are isolated from the subtleties put away on the block. This works with dramatically quick exchanges. Additionally, highlights like nuclear wallet and security limits just add to cost energy. For what reason is the Avalanche cost rising? Attributable to the exchange speed, Avax is an exceptional fascination for purchasers of monetary resources around the world. Of late, since it acknowledges MasterCards as well and the confirmation goes pretty speedy, the stage has gotten forward movement in the news. Fiat clients generally need to hang tight for quite a while. Nearly, though, with Avax block makers, everything goes fast fire to affirm exchanges. As indicated by Avax cost expectation, this may be the conceivable justification behind the ascent. How in all actuality does Avalanche gain importance on the lookout? Numerous examiners accept that the advancement of BTC and Ethereum might hold up traffic of Avax. Be that as it may, it is inevitable before Avalanche shows its presentation on the crypto map, enduring the excursion of devaluation and appreciation, supporting exchange conclusion. In some cases a stagnation might leak in influencing the market capitalization. Notwithstanding, this couldn't be considered to run for a more extended range. Lastly, the symbolic will settle its development in the record. Could I at any point bring in cash with Avax? Over and over, the cross-breed agreement instrument of blockchain and different symbolic holders, combined with the Ethereum advancement tool stash spinning around it, has additionally been in warmed conversations. Foreseeing costs of the novel, exceptionally unstable and dangerous resource classes is a difficult undertaking. The most appropriate response is nobody knows, despite the fact that it could be dealing with power pose, i.e., verification of stake system. It is constantly suggested that merchants read the most recent news and become local area individuals and free validators to decide the eventual fate of their tokens in view of market information. They are likewise encouraged to peruse the gauge and track the ascent and drop in the cost of this token before they purchase Avalanche. Is Avalanche a wise speculation? As indicated by Avax cost expectation for the following 5 years, the Avax cost will hit a $300 high. The normal least Avalanche crypto cost for the year 2026 is assessed to be $250. Different Avalanche cost forecasts in the market favor the long-haul acquiring capability of the Avalanche crypto. What will be the Avalanche cost in 2030? Market Avalanche cost expectation 2030 uncovers the Avax cost to take off up to $1,248 by the mid-year. The wide acknowledgement of the Avalanche coin later on will help with development and market capitalization. Is Avalanche better than Ethereum? The Avalanche organization can process an amazing